Yeah, so we finally made it.
Is it cold?
It's so cold. Want to trick in our camper?
Okay, I need to turn the heater on.
We got bread! Bread!
Okay, see you later.
Bye-bye! Okay, hey guys, so we're just walking back from a really long trail, and we saw a dog that looked like a coyote. So, and I scared it away with a stick. Sticky, sticky. Whoa. And so yeah, we'll see you later. It's really cold out here. We're gonna start building. It's a contest. We're gonna start building.
We're gonna do teamwork.
Fire pit. So let's start. Okay. So this one goes like this. It starts like that. No. Don't go like that. That. And then you do it over like a tic-tac. That. And then this one. I'm feeling that one. Then I got this one. Feeling this, guys. Feeling this.
Good job, my loves. And who taught you how to do that?
My dad. A skinny. Wait. Here, no walking. That one doesn't go there. Oh well, whatever. Get the other piece. Right there. What other piece? That's hooking. Well, what? That right there hooking.
And then what do you put inside?
What do you put it in, Mama?
Lint. It's fluffy.
And what's that for?
This is for the fire. To start the fire.
Start the fire.
Okay.
Then we're gonna do like a tiki.
Oh, and then we're gonna do like a teepee.
We're gonna light it up tonight, okay?
Yeah. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, wow.
Double sweater power.
Doof.
Double handy thingy. I'm cold. I'm going inside.
Hey!
What? It's cold. Ow, something's in my...
That's it.
So we're done doing the teepee, so stay tuned for tonight. We're gonna light it up. Bye! Hey guys, so we're right now we're going to be showing you a a secret trail that we found. And we are going to go in separate pieces, and there's another campsite over there somewhere, and we're going to try to meet up there. Yeah, okay, so which way are you going? I don't know, but I'll pick one right now. Okay, you either have to go there or over there. I can't going this way because I already went this way. I already went that way, so you go that way. So you go that way and I go this way. Fine. Hi. See ya. See ya. Okay. So we're going through the camp. Ow. It's really cold out here. I forgot which way. Where did I come from? Wait, no, I'm not supposed to go this way. I'm supposed to go this way. No, wait. I think I'm supposed to go this way. Let's see where I end up. I forgot. Wait, I'm going this way. Okay, there we go. I see my brother. Joaquin, come here. They can't see you. Here's the other campground. Over there. Get down. Come on, let's go back. We're not supposed to be over here. Which way do we go back? Okay, it's on the way. You go that way, I'll go this way. I'm going with you. Okay. We're going back home? Yeah. We're going to go again. I wouldn't do that. Ow. Oh. Get that. Seriously, I want to go do some rain. See, I look scary. Ow. That hurt. Where are we? Oh, there it is. Going the other way. Woo! I come from the easy way. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to show you a different path. Yeah. What path is it? Oh, there we are. Oh, yeah. So there's more path over here? Yeah. We're going to go up the one. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Which one's the path? That's the path, right? Come on. Let's see where this leads to. I'm scared because there might be snakes. Oh, here's a secret path. Ow, ow. I don't want to go through there. It's not a dead end. No. Because there's a lot of branches and I don't want to get hurt. What's wrong? You know what? I'm going the other way. Okay, we're here. I have no clue where we are. There's a lot of this stuff. This can get into your shoe and it can hurt you. Is this hay or what? No. Oh, we're over there. Okay. Woo! You okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I just wasn't looking where I was going. Watch out. I don't think we should go close to this over here. Let's go back. It all just leads to the same path. Which way did I go back? From over here. We were trying to find new passages. Look, and I found one. Oh, it's not here. Come, I found one. Where? Over here, come on. Ow. Back to the grasslands. Okay. Come on. Something right here. Something. No, again. Come on. This one does not lead up to a different place. That's right back to our home. Yeah, it's our home's over there, so that's where we are. And now let's go to try to go over. No. Why not? What passage are we? Holy cow, is that blood? No. Oh! No, that's spray paint. See? See that? That is blood. No, it's not. It's just spray paint. So, guys, we're going to show you somewhere where we go in secret. Come on. Let's go. Okay. And right there. That's our camper. Right there. Come on. Come on. When we want something secretly, this is what it's called. H9K. Yeah, that's for Tic Tac. That's Tic Tac. Come on, let's run. Okay. So guys, we head across the street over there, and whoa, this is where we come to play. For some reason, we come and relax right here on this nice area. Oh my god, it's so cold. The seats are so cold. There's ice right there. And there's a rock under it. So it won't break. It's cold. Wait, it is? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Wait, let's go back. Come on. Oh, patrol's here. Oh my god. What if he saw us here? Come on. back. We just saw patrol. We're back home. We just saw patrol. That was scary. Look, he's gonna come back, I think. No, he's not. That was scary, right?
Yeah.
Alright. So, that was cool.
Really poking.
Yeah.
Touch the side of them.
This stuff. Okay.
Aren't they spiky?
Yeah. Hey guys, so oh god, it's hot. Right now there is mystical fire. Can you find it? Oh, my face is burning. Now I'm just cold in the coldness.
That looks
Oh
amazing.
my gosh, it's melting.
Wow!
That's too much.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, my face. Look at that blue in there. Or the turquoise.
Or some color.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's just covered up by that fire. I mean, by that.
Wow.
Oh, hey guys. Amjo Club. Or Amjo Squad. You guys tell me down below. So right now it's our last day at the campsite.
Our last day of Silverwood Lake.
Yeah, it's Silverwood Lake. So we're just going to go through all of our favorite secret passages and trails. So let's
And separate.
go. Separate. Okay, let's go.
Wait, where is it?
The one's over there, remember?
Come on.
Here, let me help you. I remember.
I'm going this one.
I'm going to go in this one.
I'm gonna go in this one.
That way. Right? Yes, let's
No,
take that.
no, no, no.
Yeah, it goes this way, okay? I'm going to go this way. Ow!
I'm not going this way. This way.
Wait for me! Ow. Okay, bye. See you later. Bye.
I'm going this way.
Ow! Did someone get on me?
I think.
Okay.
Never mind. Which way should I go?
It's this way. Just following my instincts, everyone. Just following my instincts. Huh? What? Coming. You guys see him? So I can see where I'm going. Hucky?
Yeah,
Where are you?
I'm over here.
I think I can get to you. Look, I can get to you.
I'm here.
Yeah. There we go. I can't get to you right there. Let me go back.
Stop through the thing.
You come with me.
Trying to.
Come on, please.
Ow.
Don't worry, I got stuff on me too.
What are you doing? Let's go.
I'm trying. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna go a different passageway. Woo!
But aren't we going to the campsite?
No, not yet. I wanna go a different way. Whoa!
Whoa, where are we?
We're at our campsite. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, let's go the other way. My hands are so cold. Sorry guys, it's a little bumpy here. We're going downhill, so
There's a trail. Found one.
I found one right here.
Come on.
Wait,
What?
don't get lost. That's blocked. Oh, no, it's not. I'm not going through there, but I'm going to try. Can you help me? I don't have gloves on. Thank you. Thank you. How are we going to get back?
Grab the branch in my face.
Here's another one. Just went through there.
Come on, it's too scary. Keep on going through the trail where we went.
Dog. My face! Okay, so there was a dog over there. We're so scared of dogs because last time we saw my dog, he was chasing us. So it was scary. So now we're going to go one last way. Come on, okay, let's go one last way. Come on. Come on, okay. Someone's coming. Okay, come on. Is it still ice? Yep, it's still ice. The rock cannot move. So, guys, thanks for watching this magical world. Comment down below if you like this long video. Oh, and also comment down below if you like the name Angel Squad. Or if you don't, comment down below what name we should call you guys, okay? Thanks, bye. Are you going to say bye, Joaquin?
Bye. The guys right here.
Hey guys! Whoa! So welcome back to Min's Magical World and
Dino World.
so let's get going to our secret passage this way.
We're going to do the challenge of death. Going in 6 separate pieces.
Yeah, we're gonna go in separate pieces.
Yeah, ow.
Okay.
Where are we gonna go?
So you pick one and so I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Where are you going? That way?
Yeah. It's good if I see a dog. I want to go with you. I'm cold. I'm cold. I don't know why. Stay with me.
I found a different way. Come.
Honey.
You show them the way. Right here. That way. Hands up. Ow. Ow.
Ow.
You can't go through.
Ow. You see there? Ow.
And we're also on a squirrel hunt. Whoa, because there's a lot of squirrels in the morning.
Yeah.
So we just try to find some squirrels.
Yeah. What? Dude, don't. It is very sticky out here. No, literally, it is a lot of sticks.
I'm the hardest everyone. Ow.
So we're in the middle of nowhere.
Let's go.
This way.
No, we just went through.
Fine.
Yeah, you want to go that way? Show them that way.
No.
I'm gonna go this way.
Whoa.
I hear a car. Hide.
Yeah?
see someone. Someone's coming. I am. Right here. So we just almost got caught.
It looks spooky.
Yeah. It looks like we're in a dungeon. Dead end. We never checked over here.
You go. Oh, hands up.
Ow. Ow. Okay.
Okay.
I think that's the patrol. Right here. Train. Tent.
Go back out. Now I'm taking over the camera. Where are you going? No, you're supposed to go through there. I'll give it back. Go. Okay, if you're going to go that way, hold the camera.
Okay. So we just passed a patrol. If the patrol saw us, it could have took us to jail.
No, he's just going to take us to our house.
Oh, okay. So right now we're going.
Hands up. No, hands up.
Let's go back.
I just wanted to look at the
Going this way.
Can you guys see the trees?
See?
They're red trees.
They're really cool. See?
They're beautiful red trees.
And they're little, so we can climb on them. This way, I think it's this way.
Oh, okay, I found another passage.
Oh yeah, good eye. My hands are turning into ice. Come on, just go. My hands are turning into ice.
Ow, ow. Oh. So this is what we see right now. Oh, careful with your fingers so it's in the way.
Look.
Okay, let's go through it. How do we go? Let's go through it. Whoa! This is something new.
I know.
That's cool.
I think we're lost.
No, I know my way back. Come on. Follow me, okay?
I found another one.
I think that's a dead end.
No.
You're dead, remember.
I am putting my hands up.
This is a way more higher way.
I know. The phone! The phone!
My eye! I poked my eye! Yes, please.
Sorry,
Did you
no.
poke your eye?
No, I think when the patrol.
Where are we, Joaquin?
I don't know.
Come back. This is the other way.
Wait, it's another path. See?
Come
Over
on,
there.
let's go. I think our house is right here.
I think so too.
Where we came from. I think this is our...
Yeah, it is. It's over here. See? I knew it. We just made it back. It was hard. It was like, I don't know how many minutes, but it was like 1 minute to get here. See, that's our camper.
Okay, so thanks for watching Man's Magical World. Comment down below if you like this video or not. Bye, YouTube fans. Mwah.